Every new day brings a new life, a new journey. Being a midwife is more than just a job. It's a calling, a promise to be there during life's most precious moments. I'm Fatima, the lead midwife at Nightingale Healthcare. We walk with you on this journey through the first heartbeat, the first breath, and every unforgettable moment in between. It's not just about the birth of a baby, it's the birth of a bond. We become a part of your story and you become a part of ours. Because every life is special, every family is unique, and every moment truly unforgettable. At Nightingale Healthcare, we believe every life deserves the best